Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: your Treasure wallet seed, a phone with Google Authenticator, and a secure backup location. Open the Treasure web app and navigate to Account or Security immediately. Do not linger on settings. Once there, choose two-factor authentication and select Authenticator app. The system will generate a QR code and a 16-digit manual code. Make sure to copy that code to your backup. This step binds your wallet identity to the one-time password. Now open Google Authenticator and tap to add a new account. Scan the Treasure QR code or choose manual entry and type the 16-digit key. Once the account appears, wait for the rotating 6-digit code and enter it back on the Treasure prompt to confirm. If the code rejects, make sure your phone clock is synced to network time. Desynchronized time causes failures. After acceptance, Treasure will show recovery codes. Copy those to an offline, encrypted place to avoid losing access. Finish by logging out and performing a test login to ensure Google Authenticator prompts for a one-time code. Enter the rotating code from your app and confirm access. This proves the link works. If you lose the device, use the recovery codes you saved or recover via seed and re-add the authenticator using the manual key. If codes fail, resync your phone clock, retry manual entry, or contact Treasure support with transaction proof. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.